Imagine a place where the sun shines brightly, the water sparkles like a sea of diamonds, and the sand feels like powdered sugar under your feet. Welcome, my friends, to the Caribbean, a region that is as enchanting as it is diverse. Nestled between the Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea, this tropical paradise is a tapestry of vibrant cultures, lush landscapes, and of course, some of the world's most stunning beaches. With over 7,000 islands, islets, reefs, and cays, the Caribbean offers a beach for every type of traveler. Whether you're dreaming of basking in the sun on a powdery white beach, diving into crystal clear turquoise waters, or soaking up the local culture on a bustling shoreline, the Caribbean has it all. So pack your bags, put on your sun hat, and slather on some sunscreen. Join us as we set sail on a journey through the Caribbean, uncovering the best beaches this paradise has to offer. First stop, the icons. These are the beaches that have graced countless postcards and travel magazines. Our journey begins with 7 Mile Beach in Jamaica, a seemingly endless stretch of powdery white sand kissed by the warm Caribbean sun. This beach is a haven for sunseekers, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and water activities. The clear, shallow waters are ideal for swimming, while the expansive beach is perfect for a game of beach volleyball or a leisurely stroll. It's no wonder this beach consistently ranks among the world's best. Next, we head to Grace Bay in Turks and Caicos. This beach is renowned for its stunning beauty, featuring crystal clear turquoise waters and soft white sand. Grace Bay's calm, warm waters make it a perfect spot for snorkeling and swimming. From luxury resorts to charming beachside eateries, it offers an alluring blend of natural beauty and modern comforts. Finally, we arrive at Eagle Beach in Aruba, a pristine stretch of white sand that's often recognized as one of the world's best beaches. Its wide, sandy expanse, peppered with iconic divvy trees, offers an idyllic setting for sunbathing or picnicking. The beach's clear, calm waters also make it a favorite among families. What makes these beaches iconic is not just their unparalleled beauty, it's their accessibility, the range of activities they offer, and their popularity among travelers from around the globe. They've become symbols of the Caribbean's allure, with their crystal-clear waters, powdery sands, and vibrant beach life. However, as stunning as these beaches are, they only scratch the surface of what the Caribbean has to offer. Beyond these famed shores lie hidden gems waiting to be discovered, beaches that offer a different kind of magic, a more secluded and tranquil experience. These iconic beaches set the standard for Caribbean beauty, but there's so much more to discover. Let's continue our journey to uncover the Caribbean's lesser-known, yet equally breathtaking beach destinations. Now, let's stray off the beaten path and discover the Caribbean's hidden gems. Imagine a beach where the only footprints in the sand are your own. The Caribbean is home to many such secluded beaches, each one a paradise waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known but equally beautiful beaches offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the more popular tourist hotspots. Take, for instance, Flamenco Beach in Puerto Rico. Tucked away on the island of Culebra, Flamenco Beach is a haven of pure serenity. The dazzling white sands, shimmering turquoise waters, and lush tropical greenery paint a picture of untouched beauty. The calm, warm waters make it perfect for a leisurely swim, while the surrounding nature trails invite you for a peaceful walk. Then there's Maho Bay in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Nestled in the heart of a national park, this beach is a shimmering jewel set amidst verdant hills and a vibrant marine life. The crystal-clear water is a snorkeler's dream, teeming with colorful fish and coral reefs. It's not unusual to have sea turtles or stingrays as your swimming companions here. And let's not forget the pink sand beach in the Bahamas. This beach gets its name from the unique pink hue of its sand, a result of crushed coral mixed with the white sand. This stunning beach offers a surreal and romantic setting, perfect for those seeking a unique beach experience. But these are just a few examples. The Caribbean is dotted with countless hidden beaches, each with its own unique charm. Some are nestled amidst towering cliffs, some are surrounded by lush forests, and some are accessible only by boat. But all of them offer an intimate, tranquil experience that you won't find on the more crowded beaches. These hidden gems are the Caribbean's best-kept secrets. They offer an intimate escape from the bustling tourist hotspots, a chance to connect with nature, and a unique beach experience that's truly your own. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a beach lover looking for your next adventure, these hidden gems are waiting for you to discover. These hidden gems are the Caribbean's best-kept secrets, offering an intimate escape from the bustling tourist hotspots. For the thrill seekers and adventurers, the Caribbean has just what you need. The Caribbean is not just about idyllic beaches and tranquil seas, it's also a playground for those who love a good dose of adventure. When it comes to water sports, there's no better place than Maho Beach in St. Martin. Known worldwide for its unique plane spotting experience, Maho Beach offers a heart-pounding thrill as huge aircrafts descend low over the beach for landing. It's a spectacle you wouldn't want to miss, but that's not all. The waters around Maho Beach are also perfect for jet skiing, windsurfing, and even parasailing. Next on our list is the mesmerizing Trunk Bay in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Its underwater snorkeling trail is a wonder to behold. Imagine swimming alongside vibrant corals, multicolored fish, and other marine life as you follow a marked trail under the sea. It's an underwater paradise that's sure to make any snorkeling enthusiast's heart flutter with joy. For scuba diving aficionados, the clear, warm waters of the Caribbean are filled with stunning dive sites. Take, for instance, the Great Blue Hole in Belize. This giant marine sinkhole is a diver's dream, offering an awe-inspiring experience as you delve into the deep blue. If you're more into surfing, the Soup Bowl in Barbados is a must-visit. Known for its consistent waves and thrilling swells, the Soup Bowl attracts surfers from around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to ride your first wave, this surf spot has something for everyone. And let's not forget about kite surfing. The breezy conditions and warm waters of Silver Sands in Barbados make it a top destination for kite surfers. The adrenaline rush of gliding and jumping over the waves is something you'll want to experience. From snorkeling and scuba diving to surfing and kite surfing, the Caribbean offers a plethora of activities for those who love to stay active and adventurous. These beaches prove that there's more to the Caribbean than lounging on the sand. They offer a world of adventure just below the surface. Now we turn to the tranquil corners of the Caribbean where relaxation and romance reign supreme. Imagine yourself on a secluded shore, the sun setting on the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. This is Anse Chastanet in St. Lucia, a beach known for its mesmerizing views of the Pitons. The Pitons, two volcanic spires rising dramatically from the sea, create a backdrop that is nothing short of breathtaking. The beach itself is a haven of tranquility, away from the bustling tourist crowds. Here you can bask in the sun, take a leisurely swim in the calm waters, or simply savor the awe-inspiring beauty of your surroundings. But the Caribbean's romantic appeal doesn't end here. Picture a crescent of powdery white sand embraced by a turquoise sea and lush tropical foliage. Welcome to Half Moon Bay in Antigua, a beach that exudes romance at every turn. Perfect for couples seeking a romantic escape, Half Moon Bay offers an intimate setting where you can enjoy a picnic by the sea, take a hand-in-hand stroll along the shoreline, or simply watch the waves roll in. Now let's whisk you away to another Caribbean gem, Shoal Bay in Anguilla. This beach is a slice of paradise with its crystal-clear waters and pristine sands. Imagine lounging on the beach, a refreshing cocktail in hand, as you listen to the soothing rhythm of the waves. Shoal Bay is the perfect place to unwind, recharge, and soak up the Caribbean sun. And then there's Trunk Bay in the U.S. Virgin Islands, a beach that's often hailed as one of the most romantic in the world. With its underwater snorkeling trail and stunning coral reefs, Trunk Bay offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Spend your day exploring the vibrant underwater world, or simply lie back and enjoy the sun-kissed tranquility. These beaches offer the perfect setting for a serene retreat or a romantic getaway, where you can truly disconnect and unwind. Finally, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant local culture of the Caribbean. No two beaches are the same, and this rings especially true when we dive into the heart of the local culture. Let's start with Grand Anse in Grenada. This 2-mile stretch of white sand is more than just a beautiful beach. It's a hub of local activity, where you can soak up the sun while experiencing Grenada's rich heritage. Imagine strolling through the bustling local markets, where vendors sell everything from vibrant textiles to aromatic spices. The beach is also home to vibrant festivals, where the pulsing rhythms of soca music fill the air, and locals and visitors alike dance in the sand. Now, picture yourself in Jamaica, at the lively beach of Ocho Rios. This isn't just a place to lounge by the water, it's a place where the spirit of reggae infuses every grain of sand. The air is filled with the rhythm of steel drums and the scent of jerk chicken cooking on open grills. The vibrant culture here is as much a draw as the stunning coastline, and you'll leave with a deeper understanding of Jamaica's soul. Or perhaps you'd enjoy the unique charm of Placencia in Belize. This beach village is known for its friendly locales, unique arts and crafts, and a laid-back atmosphere that is truly Belizean. Here you can sip on local rum while listening to Garifuna drumming, a unique blend of African, Caribbean, and indigenous influences. Across the Caribbean, these cultural beaches offer more than just a place to relax. They provide an opportunity to connect with the local community, try traditional foods, and even learn a dance step or two. These experiences are what make a trip to the Caribbean truly unforgettable. These cultural beaches offer a unique blend of relaxation and immersion, allowing you to experience the Caribbean's soul. As we conclude our journey, one thing is clear: the Caribbean is a beach lover's paradise. From the sun-drenched shores of Jamaica to the crystal-clear waters of Turks and Caicos, the Caribbean offers a beach for every kind of traveler. For those in search of fame and glamour, there are the iconic beaches, like 7 Mile Beach and Grace Bay, where beauty, accessibility, and popularity unite. These are the places where memories are made, where footprints in the sand are as common as the waves that wash them away. Then there are the hidden gems, the secluded coves and tranquil shores that offer a slice of paradise away from the crowds. Flamenco Beach, Maho Bay, Pink Sand Beach. These are the names that whisper of solitude and serenity, where the only footprints might be your own. For the thrill-seekers amongst us, the Caribbean doesn't disappoint. With places like Maho Beach in St. Martin, known for its plane spotting, and Trunk Bay in the U.S. Virgin Islands, famous for its underwater snorkeling trail, adventure and activities are never far away. And let's not forget the beaches that serve as sanctuaries for relaxation and romance. Anse Chastanet, with its breathtaking views of the Pitons and Half Moon Bay, a haven for couples seeking a romantic escape, provide the perfect backdrop for rejuvenation and love. But the Caribbean is more than just a collection of beautiful beaches. It's also a vibrant cultural tapestry, where music, food, and community come alive. Beaches like Grand Anse in Grenada, known for its local markets and festivals, and Ocho Rios in Jamaica, with its reggae-infused vibe, offer a unique blend of beach relaxation and cultural immersion. In the end, the Caribbean's greatest treasure may be its diversity. A beach for every mood, a shoreline for every dream, a wave for every adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a Caribbean getaway or planning your next beach adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Caribbean beach destinations in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming of the Caribbean.